Smoking to the sommelier-ish, ukulele, ukulele J.
Today on 60 Seconds SOMMELIERish, we're doing a review on a 2007 San Juan Vineyards Merlot out of Yakima, Washington. Merlot it's actually a very good wine. Let me tell you, 2007 for Merlot could be a little long, as people might say. It also could be perfect. You can't necessarily go by the age. It's how it's stored, what temperature, and the length of time. Something that I had in my cellar that I found and thought would be interesting tonight with my barbecue chicken. Let's see what it's like. Nose is not too bright on the fruit. Not bad. Not a whole lot of fruit. Everything's kind of blending together. Give one more taste. Really mild on the palate. Slight acidity to it. Very, very slight tannins. Not much, but it is there. A little bit of coating on the mouth. Very quick finish. Not a whole lot to it. Gonna give 86 out of 100 ukuleles.
Smoking to the sommelier-ish, ukulele, ukulele J.